things you must know how to calculate. Just put that there so that you are aware of these calculations. Right, do you remember studying all this? Follow? Let me just walk you through a calculation so that you can get this calculation. Here, make sure you remember it. I think you have studied all of this before. Yes, no?
True.
Can I explain this one first? By using an example?
Yeah.
You guys okay? Okay, let's say you have a function that does this. Let's say we're going to calculate the easiest one first. We calculate something called payback. You know how to calculate payback? Calculate payback. Zero, one, know how to do this, right? Fine. You put the cash flow here. You put the cumulative cash flow. Got it? Got it? So here you put are you okay? Then you put in the numbers as you can see them. Are you okay this one? Can? Okay, next. Okay, so payback is when?
2 years.
2 years.
Half.
2.67 months. 2.67 years. Can you get 2.67 years? Yes, no? Can? Do you know how to get the number? 6, 7 years. You get 2.67 years. It's going to be, you see 2 years, right? Okay, 2 years. You got 100,000 over here, right? You still have 100,000 negative here, right? But you earn 150,000 year 3, got it? So it's 100 over 150. Over 150. You should get 0.67, correct? Okay, so it's 2 plus 100 over 150, got it? Are you okay, Mimi? Clear? You can get 2.67 years, yes, no? All of you okay? Can understand 2.67 years? Follow? Okay, next number that we're going to do. Anybody else? 2. Don't worry about the negative symbol. 100 over 150. Can? Can? All okay, yeah? Okay. 2. You reach 2, then turn positive 1. So break even, payback is between here, in between. So to estimate when, we assume 150 accrue evenly for year 3. So therefore 2 years plus 100 over 150. Got it? Can I? Okay, right, let's move on to the next one. The next one I want to show you how to calculate NPV. Okay, NPV computation. I'm going to show you 2 techniques here. 2 techniques. One using annuity factor, the other one using perpetuity factor. Now you don't need to download and keep the annuity table in your hand. I don't think SMA book got any annuity table given to you. I don't think there is one there.
They have 4 tables.
Huh?
They have 4 tables.
On the system, is it? Ada bagi?
Banyak-banyak ada yang value.
Yeah, ada table. Tapi the question mark is, I don't think they give it to the textbook. Let me double check. Textbook don't have. Okay, textbook don't have this table. So we'll just use from ACCA lah. Okay, we'll use from ACCA. Okay, we use from ACCA FM. Let's say formula sheet. There, math table, this one. Let's get this one, guys. Download. I think you can take this into the exam. Shouldn't be a problem. We got present value and you got the annuity table together. Got it? Can you guys find this? Can? Of course, I show you without the calculator. This is with the table. Life will be a bit easier with the table, but without the table also you can do. Got it? We will train. I'll train you without the table once to show you how the numbers are obtained, so that you know the formula and all that. The formula is actually given here. Can you see the formula? There. Okay? And the formula is also given. Are you okay? Formula is given here. Okay? So in case you don't know, you just use the formula 1 minus 1 plus r power of minus n time. Got it? Over r. Alright? Great. Here? And here is 1 plus r power of minus n. Are you okay? All okay. Have you found this document? You know how to find it? Actually go to search for ACCA FM formula sheet. You should be able to go there. We don't have it. We don't have it. Okay. Later get it printed out and keep for the exam. Alright? Then you just click here and you should be able to get it. Alright? You should get this. Are we okay there? I'll just put the SMA. Okay, done. So this might be useful. Of course, there are some formulas here. I just want to highlight some of these formulas here. You don't need to know about all those formulas because it's not going to be tested. All right? Maybe this formula, yes. So weighted average cost of capital, which is the formula I gave you. It's a bit slightly different but similar. Got it? Equity times cost of equity. Then debt, value of debt times the cost of debt. Then divided by value of equity plus value of debt. Got it? Okay, that covers this one. Okay, let's get back into this calculation of NPV. Let me show you how that's done. So now what's going to happen here, cash flow, and I'm going to put discount factor. Got it? So discount factor here is 1. Got it? If I'm using how many percent? 10%, right? I say 10%, right? So I'm going to look at the table for 10%. And I'm going to put in these numbers here. 10% is 0.909. Uh, 0.826. Okay, and you have, guys, do you all know why the last year is not 150,000? Because there's a scrap of 250,000. Got it? Yeah. So the last one is going to be 0. So you get your PV. Now this is going to be a bit more tedious for you. Then you get your are you okay in this part? Can. Okay, I'm going to give you an alternative calculation. Huh? Add everything together. This is another calculation. Okay, this one is NPV using, got it? I'm using discount factors. Clear? Okay. Okay, this one I'm going to show you a little bit on using so when I'm doing annuity factor, I want you to see what I'm doing here. Can you see this? Okay, whereby I am doing 1 to 2. I use an annuity factor of, because I'm jumping down to this table, 10%. 1 to 2 is 1.736. Okay then? Then 3 to 4, so I'm going to go to 4 years. Can you see it's 4 years? 3.170, right? Minus yep.
Can you repeat for discount factor for annuity factors?
Okay, this one, okay, I'm using, okay, year 1, okay, there's another way I look at it that, you see this number here, year 1 and 2, I add these two together, this one plus this one. Are you okay? This one, I add this one plus with, okay? Wrong place. Okay, I just want to highlight to you, just showing you how it's done actually. It's wrong place. Okay, now pay attention to what I've done here. Okay, this is what I have done, alright? So I should get the same number. I should get the same number. Now, of course, shortcut is I can always refer to the annuity table. But the annuity table got slight difference. It will cause a slight variation, but it doesn't matter. Your answer cannot run too far. They will just have the same numbers. I clear now. So if I was to put 1.736, the annuity number, can you see the annuity number here, right? Which is the same as these two add together. So I need to put 1.736. Are you okay in this part? You understand what is annuity factor? Just combining the years up. So are you clear what is annuity factor now? It's just discount factor being added up. But it can only be done when the number is the same. What are you doing? You're shortcutting this the same number, so I just multiply one time now. Correct? So I should be putting, remember, since I'm using the table, I'll use 1.736. I just put this in. So you can see actually the numbers should be the same, but because of the small rounding errors, there will be some differences that's coming up. Okay? Now look at this one here, year 3 to 4, right? So I go to year 3 to 4, it's 3.17, am I right? 3.17, but 3.17 is year 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, this good.
I need year 3 and
Oh.
4. So what I do is I take this 3.17 minus of 1.736. Okay, I repeat again. This number 3.17 is year 1, 2, 3, 4. But I need year
3 and 4.
3 and 4 only. I don't need year 1 and 2. So I must take year 4 minus year 2. Are you clear? So if you put that in, so let's show it to you, equals 3.170 minus 1.736. Are you, because I've already done 1.736 there. Follow? If I get that number there, then this is 0.621. So the number runs slightly, it runs slightly because of the number here, correct? Okay, are you guys clear on how to do annuity factor? Annuity factor you can use when the number is the same. Are we okay? If you get different number every year,
Discount factor.
use discount factor. Anytime there's a different number from the factor, you have to use the discount factor, correct? Okay, are we clear on NPV using discount factor and PV using annuity factor? Yes, no?
Yes.
Can I? All okay? Okay guys, the next one I want to do IRR. I go to IRR. Okay, I'll show you how IRR is done, so you're okay with IRR. So IRR is supposed to be Are you okay in this part? You need one positive and negative. You already have one positive at 10%. So I don't need to do the positive already. Positive settled. So to get negative, I must push up the interest rate. Are you okay? I will push up the interest rate to 25%. So I'm going to try 25%. Alright? So if I put 25%, I hope the number is there. Do I have a 25? Oh no, I don't have 25%. How now?
16.
No, cannot. I need 25. I need 25. So now I have to use the calculation normal method.
Yeah.
Equals to 1.25 minus 1. Are you okay? And take that number 1.25. In your calculator, I think you have calculator.
Yes.
You just put 1 divide by 1.25, then divide by 1.25, just press equal, you should get the answer. 1 divided by 1.25, then press equal again. Press again, equal. Does it, I don't know, does it work? It's,
Yes.
you press equal, you'll get the numbers already. 1 divided by 1.25, then press equal, you should be getting the following numbers. You get it? So you get 0.8 after that. 0 point. You should get, no, you should get 0.64. You get 0.64. principle, right? You press equal, right? You're using the high end calculator or the low end calculator. High end means it's got scientific on it. Are you all using scientific calculator?
Yes, but after the 8 must divide first.
Must divide one more time by 1.25, then press equal.
Yeah.
Got it? Can Can? Oh, you can get it?
Yes.
Can. So, it's a bit tedious, guys. A bit tedious. We'll keep it to a nice round number of 3 decimal places. Alright? And I get 8224. Are you okay? Okay guys, I'm just gonna put the items I need. Low rate, NPV, positive, NPV, negative, okay, do you understand what I just put there? The items of the formula. Okay, what's the low rate, guys? Low rate is 10%. Correct? And NPV positive was the number that you saw here, 186,300. Are we okay? 186,300. NPV negative is 8,224. Mana? 186,300. Yeah. I mean, you can use both, like, doesn't matter. Like. Yes? Which times? Dapat kan 61,000 I think.
Because ni sepunya dia decimal places kat
Yeah.
belakang
I mean 0.328. I mean, I just for your 0.410, 0.512. Don't worry, I understand your problem. Let me just settle that problem first.
Tak, sebab decimal places Excel kan dia banyak.
Decimal place banyak, it cause a variation. I can not, don't worry about it. Okay? But this is how you deal with the what do you call? When you're outside, you need to estimate outside the numbers. Are you okay? Okay. Therefore, high rate minus low rate is 15%. Okay, now can you calculate? Tell me the IRR. Remember, this is negative. I gave you the formula already, right?
Yes.
Okay, now calculate. Tell me the IRR. See whether you can get it now. You all can see, right? All okay, yeah? Make sure you know all this calculation. Later when I start testing you, I'll ask you to calculate. Are you okay? Okay, you should get 24.38. Okay. Kalau minus is plus ah. Guys, minus is plus ah. Can? Okay. You know get 24.38? Yes, no?
No.
You have a bot mass problem. You know what is bot mass?
Wow.
You got rule problem in calculation. Guys, have you done calculating? I'm just waiting for you. Done? Are you guys okay? Okay. I do use funny fonts for you. Are you all okay? Can you get 24.38? So having problem getting 24.38, better go back to bot mass. You know what I mean by bot mass? Bracket, operator, division. Hello. Sequence of events. Which one must happen first? Multiply, addition, subtraction, remember? You all know what bot mass means, ah? You don't know, you don't. Bot mass. I thought we started it in Form 1 maybe, I think so. The rules, yes or not? So that's the rules. Which one happened first? 25% is, I tried 25%, here 25%, right? This one was based on 25%. Right? Are you okay? Are you guys clear? Can I? Okay, one more calculation that might come out is called from this same example. The same example, there's one more calculation that might come out. It's called ARR. Got it? Are you okay here? So you have the last one, which is going to be your okay, the cash flow is how much? Total cash flow is going to be 1, 2, 3, 150 times 4, 3 is about 450 plus 7, 6, 450, 850. Did you get 850? You get 850, guys. Okay, 850 is only cash flow from operations, correct? Doesn't include scrap. Does not include scrap. Scrap is not included inside here, correct? Okay, the next number you got there is depreciation, is the initial investment minus scrap. Okay, are you okay there? Okay, this one always divide by 2. Always divide by 2. Always divide by 2. Got it? Always divide by 2 because opening and closing. Opening plus closing. Average is the difference between these two, correct? Average. Okay, so average profit is 80. Average investment is 275. Done.
So yeah, 80 divided by 275.
275.
Divided by 275, 500.
Guys, okay here?
So yeah, just
Huh?
yeah.
Divide. Bahagi dulu. Okay? Can? Sure. Okay. There is something called EAC. Okay, the NPV from here, 186,300, right? Okay, NET factor you take from here, 10% for 5 years is 3.791.
Times
This one divide.
EAC stand for apa sir?
Equivalent annual cash flow. EAC is useful when you have two projects with different time period being compared.
So the cash flow is from year 1 until year 5, right?
Here.
800. So it should be 900.
No, you must minus out the scrap. Don't put the scrap inside.
Minus 50,000.
Yeah, 50,000 scrap should be inside. Are you okay there?
Sir, how to get 275?
550 divided by 2. Always divide by 2.
Sir, how to read EAC sir? The spin is positive. the
Higher
spin-
better.
Higher better.
Higher EAC better. So which project or higher EAC is a better project?
So we need to compare with other project also lah.
With different timing?
Uh,
Maybe 3-year project, with 5-year project. You want to compare which one better? You calculate the EAC. Are we okay? Right, any questions there, guys? I hope you all can calculate this. Can I? Can. Okay, we are done with the base calculations you're supposed to know. WACC, I think you should know how to calculate, but do I need to show you how to calculate WACC or you should know already by now?
Sure. Sure.
I thought you need finance, FM.
But use the sensor.
We use Excel all the time for the subject.
Okay, I'll show you how to calculate WACC. WACC, basically you might have to get a question, okay, let me just go to another part. I'll show you how to calculate WACC, but you need to calculate the NPV, IRR, payback, EAC. Are you okay? And also ARR. Got it? So to calculate WACC, well, you have to use the formula. What's the formula look like? Well, the formula looks something like this. How much is the cost of equity? It is 18%. Equity is how much? 3 million, alright? Okay. Cost of debt 1 minus T is going to be 6% minus, so it's going to be 4.8. Am I right? Correct, guys? Just double check. 4.8%. Yes, no? Correct, right? 6 times 0.8. Yes, no?
Yes.
That is 2 million. So WACC is going to be, now this is going to be a bit tricky. 18 times this plus 4.8 times this divided by this plus again 12.72. Got it? So we will say we will set the cost of capital to be, for this question I'm going to set it at 13%. Are we okay? Okay. Clear? Okay, now I've set the cost of capital how much? 13%, right?
Yes.
Right, you can do the next. IRR, NPV, and so forth. So these formulas are but you can use annuity factor for as well. Guys, you should use annuity factor. I already made it easy for you to use annuity factor. So I think you should be able to calculate this quite fast. IRR, I think you should try maybe positive or negative. And 13%. I don't know. I'll let you do first. I won't tell you anything first. I'll let you do first. I won't tell you anything. You make your own decision. done. Guys, done. Hah? 6 kali 0.8? 6 kali 0.8? 600 times 1 minus T. T is tax what? Tax is 20% what? So become 0.8, right? So 6 times 0.8 is 4.8, right? Yes, no? Are you clear? Can you all okay WACC? Wait, I thought you all did this before in your FM. Forgot already. Oh, you are not supposed to forget. You are not supposed to forget. Are we done with the NPV? Guys, done?
Not yet, not yet.
After this I give you a break, don't worry. Year 0 and then 0, 1, 2, 4, right? Am I right? You do like that? Okay, and then you put here minus 1 million. And here you put 350,000. 350,000, yes. And then here you get 0.124 for 3 years. You get the discount factor. Yes. 2.974. Did you get this?
Tak tak dapat.
Hello. Tell me you didn't get for 3 years. Oh, you didn't pay back. NPV, IRS, NPV done, huh?
NPV 1400.
Ah. Dari mana? 1 tolak 0.2 20%.
Oh,
1 tolak T. T itu apa? Tax. Apa rate tax? 20%. 20% sama dengan 0.2.
Oh,
Faham. okay?
Ya,
Ya, sekejap sir.
bukan 0.8.
Now payback or shortcut. Payback is here. I show you shortcut. No need to do like this already. Got shortcut. Got shortcut because cash flow is same. Payback you can do the long way, no problem. I don't think cannot. Actually not. You can do the long way. But because the cash flow is the same, we can do some a kind of like a short modification that goes something like this. 1 million, then annual cash flow. Are you okay? I mean, you did the normal way, so you got the same answer, right? 2.86 years. Are you okay? So here's a shortcut. Got it?
The shortcut because if the cash flow is
Yes. You must know when to use shortcuts, when you cannot use shortcuts. Okay. Okay? Not so hard, right? Hopefully. Can I move on?
Ya.
Okay, payback done already. Payback done already. Can you do ARR? ARR is still a bit tedious. Do you think you do ARR? Dapat. Are you done ARR?
still
I'm just trying numbers. You see how I'm doing that? I'm just trying the number. I'm trying until I get negative, which I went to 4 year, 15%. Are you okay? Why did you eat so sweet? What time is your class?
I wrongly believe the man. 5:30, but I could not.
3:30, yeah? 3:30? Dangerous. Let me do the attendance first. Afiq, Aiman ada, Isma, Suni, Doa, Kairia, Syafiqa,
Saya.
okay, Astira, okay, Dalila, Ipa, itu kelas berapa? Last time boleh itu. Last time boleh itu. Apa adanya? How? Apa? Last time kita ambil eksternal apa-apa? Iji? Pas ke? Belum lagi. Kalis? Kalis berapa je Mak? Kita ke external right? Iji? Yang ambil Iji kan? Tak ambil Iji ya? Tak jadi ya? Jadi ke tak jadi? Pas? No, this semester ke next last sem? Pas? Tak jadi? Okay. Syazwani? Okay. Aidina? Name is quite interesting. Aidina. Alia? Lailatul? Lailatul? Why is your name unknown?
I'm not sure.
Followed up. Siti Aisyah? Wong Meme? Okay, only one person will make it. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. Did you get this one? I tried 15%. IRR.
Maksudnya, that's mean if the cash flow is same, so for all the thing you can do shortcut.
Yes. No need. You can do shortcut. Are you okay now? Okay, next time book your time properly Silap booking. Aduh, jangan. Seremban bus is it?
TBS.
TBS pergi mana ni?
Bandar
Ha? You nak balik jauh? Macam nak balik jauh macam awal kan? Oh, jangan ambil. Right, are we okay with that? And any questions here? No, okay. So we're done with everything except ARR. You haven't done it yet, right?
Yes.
Okay, I give you a break. Okay, you can do the break. Take the break.
So, tengok yang tadi tu yang
I haven't done IRR and ARR. These two I haven't done yet. Okay, I want you to calculate IRR, ARR. Okay, I already calculated NPV for you. I already calculated payback for you. Got it? Yeah. Which one you want to see? IRR, I'm using these two numbers. Both also are using shortcut. Once you can use shortcut, you can always use shortcut. Are we okay now? Okay.
Sir, How to get depreciation on AR?
I'm not telling you now. You use your head and figure it out.
My brain cannot think.
Never mind, use your brain will figure it out. Okay, I give you about 15 minutes.